Hey guys, certified arborist, world champion tree climber Mark Chisholm here with your STIHL Pro tip. Alright, now we got our work zone clear and the trees removed off the trunk, so we should be just about ready to go. What I'm trying to do with my face cut is make a notch in the front of the tree, basically about 70 degrees or wider, to allow the tree to come all the way over before it breaks the hinge. And I'm going to a depth of approximately a third of the way in or less, which is really about 80% of the overall width. That's what I really need to try to do to make the perfect cut. All right, let's make our first cut. One thing I like to do is halfway through my top cut, stop, shut the saw off, and then take a look at your site and make sure you're on the path you intend to be. If not, it gives you time to make an adjustment before anything happens. Alright, we made our face cut. The next step is going to be setting up our hinge. We're going to use something called a bore cut here because we want to use wedges because the tree has very little lean and we want to make sure it goes where we intend it to go and doesn't sit back on our saw. So I'm going to come just behind the face cut, about an inch back, bore into the tree, cut all the interior out, leaving the back called a strap on there, and then we're going to hammer our wedges in. All right, good to go?
Good to go.
All right, thanks, Justin. All right, the tree's gonna be going in this direction. I got an escape route planned out the back, about a 45-degree angle, get me to a safe zone 15 feet away from the tree. We're ready to go. Stand clear.